Hello, everyone. Welcome to OPM CPKS 4. This is the 818 uh, property.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
All right. So in short, DPPI. Okay. So um, you just actually got accredited with us. I think this month lang, October. So thank you, and we appreciate your interest, Jude, for joining OPMC. And I think you joined with us with a sale already. No, I think someone from your realty already got one sale from us from one of our projects. I think it was Vista Verde sa in Consolacion. So congratulations, by the way, on your first sale with us. Let me start with my presentation. Let me check. With introducing Orchard Property Marketing Corporation. So, Orchard Property Marketing is actually not a developer, it's actually an independent marketing firm that exclusively sells Santa Lucia Realty Development Incorporated and Santa Lucia Land Incorporated projects. I specified two company names because Santa Lucia Realty Development Incorporated focuses more on land properties, lot only properties, while Santa Lucia Land, they focus more on vertical projects, condominiums, like the one we have in La Mirada. So we've been in the industry since for 25 years already. We've been established in October 16, 1995, and we've marketed over 50 projects nationwide, including Bacolod, Iloilo, and Davao. So we've actually just celebrated our 25th year last October 16. And there was a plan na the upcoming projects will be added somewhere in Zamboanga and Jensan. So those are some of the projects that we might be looking forward soon with OPMC. So our head office is located in PSE in Ortigas, Pasig. And our Cebu branch is located in the at the ground floor of the Sentinel Archbishop Avenue, Kasambagan, Cebu City. Familiar naman siguro tanan where this is located, no? This is actually along the road of Banilad, beside Crossroads. So if you guys get to visit us here, you can drop by our office anytime from Mondays to Fridays. OPMC is currently the largest subsidiary of Santa Lucia that exclusively markets and sells over 15 hectares of properties comprising of over 200 residential estate, 12 golf courses, 11 country club houses, and a grand mall. And this has been made possible because of the vision of our one and only Mr. Eduardo Uterona, the founding president of OPMC. He believes that the benefit and care and support we have for our people is our biggest trade secret. Now, I'll be playing a video introduction video also of Santa Lucia. Let me just play the video to give you an overview of what our projects are about and the vision that we have for Santa Lucia. Okay, wait for a minute. Hello, sir. Sir Milbert. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
There's some problem with the Zoom. I think I can't resume the play button of the share screen. Do you have control over this, sir?
Ma'am, excuse me.
Naamoy control ani sa Zoom na dili na ko ma-resume ang share. Someone said nga wala na ning play ang video or ning play ra.
Wala ning play, ma'am.
Wala. Walay
Okay,
video.
let me try
Wala,
it
wala.
again. How about now? Okay na?
Yes, i-play na.
I-play na, ma'am.
Alright,
I-play na.
sige, sige.
Walay sound.
Walay audio, ma'am.
Sorry, hello? Wala, no audio?
Yes, ma'am. Walay audio.
Ganina na ara? Or wala jud siya?
Wala, Jude.
Wala, bisan ganiha.
Okay, let me try this again. How about kana?
No.
Na?
Nanan.
Tama na, ma'am.
Alright. Okay. So that a short clip about Santa Lucia's project. naara ba'y naka-familiar ninyo sa mga projects nga na-show sa video? Hello?
Wala pa ako.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So everyone saw the video now clearly and the audio was naka-play ra.
May lang tag ko ang speaker.
Hello?
Yes, nakaplira ang video pero walay sound putol-putol.
Okay.
Ang picture.
Okay. Okay, sige lang. Pero sa photos na inyong na tanaw, somehow naka-familiar mo uban sa mga projects? Or karon lang jud mo mostly nakahibaw about Santa Lucia and OPMC?
Yes, karon ra.
Karon lang. Karon lang.
Okay. Sige. All right, so let's proceed to knowing more about OPMC-DE. So OPMC has actually been around for 25 years na. We've celebrated our 25th year last October 16. And I'll show you another video clip of that celebration and the milestone of OPMC to give you a more background about what OPMC is all about.
When we started the company, we wanted to become the country's most reliable real estate marketing network. We meet the different needs of our targeted market. And because of this vision, we had to develop ourselves so that we can continue to deliver quality products to the market and assuring them of value appreciation. If we sell well, the values go up quickly. If we don't sell, the values stay the same. And to sustain.
Sige, I'll do it again. Paka na yung video? Hello?
Wala.
Wala.
Wala mo play ang video, ma'am.
Okay, let me check. Okay, let me stop the share muna. I think there's something wrong with the connection. I tried this sa amo murag clear naman to. Let me do this once again para okay na?
Yes, ma'am. Okay na, ma'am.
Alright, sige.
Walay audio.
Ang audio na po. Salud.
Nay, di makadungog man.
Value appreciation. If we sell well, the values go up quickly. If we don't sell, the value stay. Quality service. Development in the market. New products were coming out. Companies were setting up. Developers were coming into play. And we had to keep pace with Santa Lucia. As Santa Lucia was trying to keep pace with the market and opening projects left and right.
What are your visions now for OPMC?
OPMC had to evolve as the market needs change. OPMC is committed to providing innovative and creative ways to connect in our partners. We had to develop respect, importance, which our business partners understood that to apply between our customers with the utmost care because respect them for their time and their resources. And so doing
Hindi klaro ang audio, ma'am.
his clientele.
Right. Was a clip about the milestones of OPMC since 1995. So for 25 years, mga taong milestone from the beginning and up until now. Sorry, was nakabati ang tanan sa video? Or, hello?
Hinay og one, ma'am. Hinay yung audio.
Hinay ang audio. Pero nakita rin ninyo ang visual.
Visual, okay ra.
Alright.
Kita.
Pero siguro masabdan na ninyo from the visual noon sa ang video about. So, those were just actually snippet lang sa mga possibilities na inyohang makuha when you partner with OPMC. If nakita ninyo sa video na ay mga travel incentive from Singapore, Taiwan, Japan. So, apart from our in-house, actually naman sa in-house network, ang among mga brokers network also can also join with the travel incentive. But for now, since at the end of the year naman I believe murag dili siguro for your realty, I don't think makakuan pata sa travel incentive. But hopefully by next year on our new travel incentive offer, you will be able to join us and travel with us with OPMC. So let's proceed with our presentation. Let me screen share once again.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello?
Excuse me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello? Hello? Hello, sir.
Naalay request ang team kay we have also an audience coming
Sir, na-mute ka, sir. Hello, sir, na-mute ka. Yes, ka na.
Ma'am. Na-request nga, pwede ba na mag-taglist kay we have an audience coming from Luzon.
You have, all right. Sorry, pasensya. I was not
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
informed there
ma'am.
were, may mga ano pala tayo, audience pala tayo from Luzon. All right, sige. What I said earlier, to recap, ayun nga, if you become part of OPMC, ayun nga yung, those are just konting mga pasabog na pwede namin ma-offer sa inyo. So you will also, apart from our in-house network, you will also be part of the travel incentive that we offer. For this year, we have travel incentive in Tokyo. For next year, it will be another country. But we will talk about that later on during the presentation. Sige, so I'll share screen once again. So I guess, do you have so far, wala pa namang questions, no? Clarifications about OPMC?
Reserve na later, ma'am.
Sorry, come again?
Okay, reserve na lang later para makaproceed ka sa presentation.
All right, sige. I will proceed now to, let's proceed then for the first project. So Vista Verde is our lot-only project located in Consolacion, Cebu. So for those who know where to go in Consolacion, you can see this project there. This is just some of the photos of the property. So this is the entrance of the clubhouse. Vista Verde is located in Barangay Saksak, Consolacion, Cebu. So I guess meron na siguro nakapunta sa, some of the sellers was able to go there na, no? May mga projects din naman na, may ibang projects din naman na nakalocate doon. Actually, Consolacion is one of also the most sought after property na in the market, in the real estate market. So Vista Verde, the total land area is 13.78 hectares with average lot area of 240. We also have minimum of 150 square meters in Vista Verde. So the current price for now in Vista Verde is for inner lots, that's 9,200, and for corner lots, that's 11,400. That is already VAT inclusive. So amenities and features, we have fully landscaped entrance. Excuse me. Naririnig lang ba ako? May parang background sound. Sir Melbert, hello. Sir, is there any way na ma-mute na po muna yung mga audience? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yan.
Yes, ma'am. We'll check.
All right, sige. For the subdivision, for the features and amenities, fully landscape yung properties natin with an entrance gate and guardhouse, wide concrete road network, concrete curbs and gutters, shade trees, and mercury lamps along the road. So meron din tayong community clubhouse with swimming pool, covered basketball court, and function hall. So that is for the Vista Verde. Now for the payment terms, let me just pull out the October promo that we have. So for the payment terms, we have a per month promo for Vista Verde. Promo duration is from October 1 to October 31. Actually, this weekend na. Pero most likely, this promo will be extended by next month. There might be small changes lang, but most likely, more or less, ganito pa rin yung offer namin. So for the reservation fee, instead of the regular na standard reservation fee namin na 20,000, we have a promo of 10,000 for residential lots and 25 for commercial lots. For part of the promo is also a 5% discount on the total contract price. And for the option 1, scheme 1, we have 20% down payment payable in the following options. We have 7 days, 15, and 30 and 60 days. So corresponding with the down payment options, there are discounts also for the from the down payment. So for 7 days, 20, 15 days, 15%, 30 days, 10%, 60 days, 8%. Now for 80% balance, we have a promo of up to 3 years, 36 months with no interest. And then if client opts to choose more than 4 years, or more than 3 years, or up to 10 years, meron na po tayong 14% interest. But for the first 2 years, wala siyang interest. And for scheme 2, we have for down payments more than 20%, we have the following discounts if client pays the down payment within 7 days or 30 days. For this part, etong part na to, most likely di naman to applicable sa Vista Verde kasi most of our plots in Vista Verde are titled already. So we have available titles na for Vista Verde lots. And then remaining balance payable in 3 years, no interest, same. Now for option 3, for lots with title, if client opts to pay the total contract price outright, we have the option of up to 4 years with no discount and no interest. Okay, now for a more flexible option, part of the promo is the flexi installment term. So sa 20% down payment natin, we divided it into 2. So the first 10% down payment, there's an option na mag-spot cash si client within 7 days and with 20% discount from the down payment. The second 10% down payment can be payable for up to 12 months, but no discount. The balance will be payable in 2 years with no interest. And for options more than 2 years, we have 14% interest per year with first year, no interest. Now, another flexible term for clients to choose is the enhanced flexi term. So for the first 10% down payment, payable siya in 6 months with no discount. The other 10% down payment is payable in outright with 20% discount from the down payment or 1 to 15 days with 15% and the option for 60 days up to 6 months, no discount on the down payment. 80% balance payable in 2 years with no interest and payable up to 10 years at 4% interest with first year, no interest. So we also, for the option 4 and 5, I will later on discuss about the commission for this one. We have a standard commission and a commission for options 4 and 5. If yung client natin is pipili dito sa dalawang options na to. Now that's for Vista Verde. Now let's move on to Greenwoods. Greenwoods is located in Talamban. This is the front of the clubhouse property. Just few shot of a lot in the area. So you notice bakit tinawag namin siyang Greenwoods, no? So the area is actually somehow at the foot of the mountain area and there's still mga greeneries na makikita pa natin doon. So Greenwoods is in Talamban, a total land area of 24 hectares, average lot area 180. And then the price per square meter currently is at 11,800 for the inner lots and 12,800 for corner lot. Medyo mahal siya from the Vista Verde kasi Greenwoods is near the city area. It's actually just 10 minutes away from Cebu City. While Vista Verde is actually nasa outside part at the north part na ng Cebu City. Now, features and amenities similar lang din ng Vista Verde. We have a swimming pool, basketball court, and function hall. Later on, I will discuss the bulk ng payment terms ng Greenwoods and Vista Grande since isa lang yung terms nila. I'll just proceed now to the next project, which is Twin Peaks at Vista Grande. So Vista Grande is located in Talisay. This is front of the clubhouse. The one na parang nasa tabi ng this area is actually a covered basketball court, and this is the entrance. This is just a shot of some of the properties na nandun na. It's actually an overlooking area. Buyers or homeowners can actually see the south ocean part of the Cebu and also the city. Another angle of the lot area. So Vista Grande is located in Talisay with a 30-hectare total land area and average lot area of 150. Currently, nasa price per square meter is at 12,900 for inner lots and 16,800 for corner lots. So currently, yung inventory natin in Vista Grande is at phase 2 and phase 3 only. So phase 2 is the one more on lesser price siya. No, phase 3 is at lesser than phase 2. The features and amenities, we have swimming pool, covered basketball court, tennis court, and function hall. Now for Crown Heights, this one is located in Compostela, north of Cebu as well. This is the clubhouse, the swimming pool area. Most of the property areas are also overlooking. It is a 13-hectare land area with an average lot of 150. Price per square meter is at 9,600 for inner lots and 11,200 for corner lots. Feature and amenities similar with most of the lot projects that we have. And now let's move on to the price payment terms of the 3 projects that I just mentioned. So for Greenwoods, Vista Grande, and Crown Heights, this is our payment term until the month of October. Same, our reservation fee is at 10,000. The only difference that we have from Vista Verde is the option 1. Kasi dun sa Vista Verde, up to 60 days lang tayo for the 20% down payment. Now, for the 3 projects, Greenwood, Vista Grande, and Crown Heights, we have up to 12 months, pero wala na po siyang discount. Now, 80% balance, payable only in 30 months. Ito din yung pagkakaiba na sa Vista Verde. Vista Verde is up to 36 months kasi. For Greenwoods, up to 30 months lang siya. If they opt to go and pay for up to 10 years, first year no interest din siya. I'll actually be sending you all of these files for your reference also, for your copies.
You can
Any
send it
questions?
to
Sorry.
ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Pasin na lang sa GC na to.
Yes. Ano naman po tayo, sir, no? May chat box na tayo dun sa OPMC. May
Yes, ma'am.
group
Yes,
chat
ma'am.
na tayo.
Naka-add ka
Alright.
dito, ma'am. Okay.
Sige, para for easier and more convenient way of viewing the documents, we will just send all the documents in our group chat so that you can download everything from there na lang. Okay, so far, may mga questions po ba tayo before we proceed to our next project?
Ma'am, confirmation lang sa about reservation.
Yes, sir.
Is it 10,000 or 20?
10,000 po yung ano natin, sir, promo. This is until this month. Pero
I
as
see.
I said earlier, may possibility po na ma-extend po yung ano natin, yung promo natin to November. Most likely 10% pa rin po yung ano, reservation. Siguro
But
ang
on regular, ma'am, is it 20,000?
yung regular namin is 20. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
So, anything else, sir? Anything from the sellers? May mga question po ba tayo?
Guys, please, kisa itong na ay mga pangutana.
Ma'am,
Sige.
pangutana ma'am. Kanang sa Vista Verde Consolacion ma'am, naa sa barangay Saksak. Ang uban ma'am wala. Walay barangay. Greenwoods, Talamban, Cebu only, walay barangay.
Yes.
Vista Verde,
Sige.
Crown Heights, wala.
For Talamban, it's actually in Pulang Bato, Puting Bato.
Puting Bato.
No, wait. Pulang Bato, sorry. Pulang Bato. It's in Pulang Bato, Talamban. We'll actually be sending you the map para mas maklaro ninyo ang property. Sige.
Okay.
I will include the project map para makita sa ninyo ang details about the project na nangadto ang cutout. I'll actually screen share a sample para makita sa ninyo. Let me check. Okay, here's Greenwoods. This is the
Pulang Bato, Talamban.
yes, this is the overall map of Greenwoods.
Okay.
So actually currently mura gamay-gamay na lang ang nabilin ani nga kuan. We have may double check. I think around 50 available lots. Sa 50 available lots in Greenwoods. So this is just a sample of the map. So we will send this to you for your reference. Okay. So any further questions?
Kanang naa na homeowners association ma'am.
For our Vista Grande and Greenwoods nanay homeowners association kay these are the projects namo nga daghan na jud og kanang mga homeowners nga nakapuyo.
Okay.
For Vista Verde and Crown Heights, wala pa naman masyadong ano dyan, homeowners na nakatira. So wala pang na-establish na homeowners association.
Okay, thanks.
Okay.
Hi, Miss.
Yes. Victoria, yes.
Yes, Miss. Regarding sa restrictions sa inyong house, how many floors nga pwede na mo matukod sang client?
As far as I know, we don't have that much restriction when it comes to the design sa project. Ang amo lang gikuan is na lang we have a requirement of 2 to 2.5 construction cost, and for one house per lot lang jud siya. And for the height or for the level of floors, let me double check. I think maximum is 9 meters, the height.
Okay, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
For what first floor?
Okay.
So mga three-story house.
Yes, yes, sir. Anything else? Any further questions?
Anyone from the group? So,
Wala
raise
pa?
your query na. Kay Mintras nag-watch si Ma'am Phoebe.
Sige. So if wala pa, I can proceed with the presentation now. Pwede naman later on, you can also ask questions by the end of the presentation. Sige. Let me screen share once again. Um, me Okay. So that's for our 4 of the properties that we have. Now let's proceed to our condominium property. It's the La Mirada Residences in Mactan. This is the facade of the building. La Mirada is located in Barangay Dapdap, Lapu-Lapu City. It has 152 units with average unit area of 34 square meter for studio and 54 square meter for 1 bedroom. Price per square meter, it's 95,000 to 98,500 per square meter. Now, features and amenities around the area, we have swimming pool, we have a function hall, and we have commercial spaces. We have a dining area also in the ground floor. So that's for the La Mirada. I will share to you later on for the standard payment term since we only have the standard payment term for La Mirada. Currently, we don't have a promo term for La Mirada right now. So now let's proceed to actually, this is a new project that we have. It's Valle Verde. It's still in Mactan. It's actually, we market this property as a premium property because the price is quite different from the regular price that we have with other lot projects. So this is the perspective of Valle Verde. If you were able to go to the old bridge, this is Old Bridge. This is the second bridge. Going down naa sa Mactan, I think na sa Pusok. Beside ana mo na siya nga property. This is the perspective of the clubhouse. Currently, actually, almost complete na ni ang clubhouse. Valle Verde is a 53.6 hectare land with average lot of 150. So if you notice, there's a big difference in the price. So 40,000 for inner lot and 42,000 for corner lots. Featured amenities, swimming pool, covered basketball court, function hall, coffee shop, and commercial areas in the clubhouse at the ground floor. So that's for the Valle Verde. The standard payment term option is actually applicable to all of our properties, depende kung unsay preference sa client. For Valle Verde, we have a different promo for Valle Verde since the price is different. Our standard payment option is this. So reservation is at 20,000, but for Valle Verde, it's at 50,000 ang reservation. Let me just pull out the okay, it's in here. So this is the standard 100 for spot cash. We have 10% off for if the client settles the 10%. 20. No, wait. Sorry, this is wrong. This is actually 20%. 20% spot cash, payable in 7 days. There's a, oh no, sorry. Let me go through that again. That was correct. So if spot cash siya, na siya 10% discount from the total selling price if mo pay siya within 7 days. If 30 days, the client will have 8% discount from the total selling price. And if within 60 days, may discount si client na 6%. So that's for the spot cash. Now this option is actually for lots na hindi pa available yung titles. So may retention kami na 10%, kaya 90% lang yung first spot cash namin na allowed. Pero most likely no, may pa rin, discount pa rin si client on that. Now for deferred cash, if client opts for an installment, we have the option to have it settled within or up to 24 months with no discount and no interest. And if wala pang title, it's 90%. Now installment for 20% to 50%, ito yung discounts ni client. For balance, 2 years with no interest. 3 to 10 years with 14 interest per annum with first year at no interest. That's our standard option. Now, so far, wala pa namang questions.
Question, guys? Wala? Anyone from the group?
Dagan pa og available ang Ballyverde, ma'am?
Ballyverde, actually, bago pa man na market na project and wala pa na mo officially na launch. So wala pa may clients. We don't have buyers.
Wala pa
for that.
din na launch day.
Yes, but we have inquiries na currently inquiries from our sellers showing interest to buy a property there.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, I can show you the map of the area para makita para ma-familiarize ninyo.
Katultura ko ma'am kay taga diri ra man ko.
Okay. So
Abi na ko sold out na.
Not yet pa.
Okay.
Okay, bago ra na mo siya bagong project lang yan. So, and also there's a parang sa price kasi malaki siya malaking difference niya from the projects that we have. Malaki yung price ba. So, our usual clients are not quite confident pa with the price na 40,000 per square. So, iba talaga yung market ng Ballyverde. So, this is the map.
Do you have the map?
Yes, we will send all the project details to you via group chat.
Yeah.
Yes. So, these red dots, ito po yung available lots natin currently. Yung mga walang red dots, JV or joint venture po yung may hawak dyan. So, it's not part of our inventories. So, yung naka-red lang yung pwede nating mabenta. Yan. So, that's Ballyverde. So, what else? Features and amenities. Ito yung niya. We have underground drainage system, perimeter fence. Yan. Okay, so let's proceed. So far, wala pa namang questions sa payment terms, no? I think siguro mas masisync in yung payment term options when you have the copy yourself. Sige. For commission and incentive, let's proceed. Now, for Brokers Network, ito po yung offer namin. It's 6% commission from the total net selling price. The releasing process, we can release 35% for the 4th month of client's down payment. So, dapat complete documents and post-dated check yung required in order to process the release. Now, for 100% release, you can claim it as early as 10th month of the payment. So, just to make sure na walang history of return checks. So, ito yung term na I mentioned earlier na for options 4 and 5 dun sa installment na down payment. You can request 50% release from the first 10 percent down payment. And then 50% release upon full down payment. So that's for our commission. So any questions so far?
Sister Nora, basin na ay pangutana.
Ma'am, ang kaning inyong mga properties, ma'am, is kung ano din sa inyo lang magbayad si client ani, wala may mga bank financing ani.
For 20% down payment, it must be settled due din sa amo OPMC. Payment must be settled with OPMC. For the monthly amortization, the balance 80%, you have the option to settle the payment to Santa Lucia, the developer directly, or bank financing or Pag-ibig. So we allow bank financing and Pag-ibig for the monthly amortization.
Okay.
Pero si client na yung mag-a-apply mismo.
Okay. So hindi na kayo mag-process ng mga documents ang buyer na.
Yes,
Pag
yes,
gusto
correct.
niya mag-apply ng bank, so siya na mag-process doon sa bank at saka sa Pag-ibig.
Yes, correct.
Then magkano yung interest, ma'am, pag mag-in-house financing lang yung buyer?
For in-house financing, as mentioned dun sa payment terms natin, 14% yung interest natin. If
Per annum.
yes, per annum.
Mm-mm.
Pero if you heard dun sa part na may option kami na let's say masasettle ni client within 36 months yung monthly amortization, then wala siyang interest. Pero
Okay,
if
zero
mag-exceed
interest.
siya, if mag-exceed siya ng more than 3 years, that's when mag-ano na kami,
14%.
may interest na siya. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, you're welcome. Sino pa? May questions?
Yung equity is payable in 1 year, ma'am ba?
Sorry, come again?
Yung equity po payable in 1 year?
Pwede naman siya 1 year, sir. You mean yung monthly amortization? Yung balance na ni client?
Okay.
Pwede naman, may option pa rin si client na mag-settle. Pwede naman natin i-compute.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sige. Wala nang further questions?
Wala nating alining equity, ma'am, kay lot only man lang ni. Wala nang down payment. Straight monthly na ni.
Straight monthly, depende, sir. Depende sa project. So, if sa standard siya, wala siyang interest, wala siyang discount. You can actually review it dun sa present ko kanina na payment term. So, if straight outright payment siya, I think yung standard payment na is 24 months straight na wala siyang interest. Yeah. For outright.
So, ma'am, after payment sa down payment, maka-build na ba si buyer?
We require at least 50% na ma-settle ni client yung total contract price.
Okay.
Yes. And also dapat required din na ma-settle din ni client yung miscellaneous fee. So we have 6.5% miscellaneous fee for, titling, transfer of title. So dapat din ma-settle ni client yun before he or she can start building the house.
Okay.
So anything else? Wala pa? Yes, sir. May mga questions po ba tayo? Later on, actually, I will run through yung booking requirements, complete documents. So, i-present ko rin yan later.
Sige, okay.
Sige. So, let's move on. to the incentives. So currently we have booking incentive and paid up incentive. So upon booking, pag nagbigay si client ng cash na down payment, we can actually already release the 5K booking incentive. Paid up meaning nagbayad ng full 20% down payment si client. So pag nag-full down payment na si client, may 5K na rin tayo na incentive. And we also have referral incentive to our clients. So if may client kayo already with us, if nagbigay sila ng referral sa inyo, yung client natin, this referral incentive we can offer to our clients. Yung clients, they will have incentive upon referring pag na-book nila yung na-book ninyo yung na-refer nila na client. We also have gadget incentive. This is a running incentive that we have to all our sellers. So this is the poster. So point system yung gadget incentive natin. So it's called Gadget Galore. So ito yung mga options na pwedeng ma-claim ni seller once they accumulated a particular number of points. So ito yung list lahat. So most likely i-offer din namin to since successful naman kasi tong incentive namin. Marami ng mga sellers na nag-claim nito, most likely i-offer pa rin namin to next year. So let's see if meron sa inyo yung makakapag-claim ng mga gadgets na nakalista. So we give out Apple iPhone or Samsung Galaxy, GoPro Max. Yan, nakalista lahat. This we can. Yes, sir. Hello.
You're saying, ma'am, sa down payment sa client for the incentives. What about sa reservation, ma'am? Wala tayong incentive during reservation of the client?
Yun yung that's what I said earlier, sir. Ito po yung booking incentive. So upon booking or upon reserving, ito same term po yun, may incentive din tayo doon.
Yes po, ma'am, kasi i-qualify lang natin kasi i-classify natin kay yung sinasabi mo yung sa natin yung sa pag kasi iba yung reservation, iba yung sa down payment.
Yes.
Okay, thank
So
you,
yun, sir. Yun po. So booking incentive meron tayo, or once nag-reserve si client, yung promo natin for reservation is 10K. So pag nagbigay siya ng 10K, meron po tayong booking incentive na 5K. So
okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. So any clarifications?
Is it outright, ma'am? Ang 5K?
Ano, sir, if nagbayad si client ng cash, and then na-complete po nyo yung documents ni client, we can give immediately the 5K in cash. Pero
what I mean, ma'am, is reservation fee.
What about the reservation fee, sir?
Is it outright, ma'am? Upon reservation, di ba, magbayad si client, then so we have a 5K booking incentive. So
yes, sir.
What I mean is it the agent can claim outright incentive from reservation fee?
Yes, sir. Etong booking incentive or yung sinasabi niyong reservation fee is pareha lang po. So pag nag-reserve si client, makukuha niyo po yung booking incentive na sinasabi namin, na ina-offer namin na incentive. So, para to clarify, yung booking and reservation, parang sa amin is same lang po siya. So, once nag-reserve si client, nag-book si client, may incentive po kayo na booking incentive. Yan. So,
the same lang yun.
Yes, sir. So any further clarifications? Wala pa? Okay. So proceed na tayo. Ayan. This is only the breakdown lang dun sa booking and paid up incentive natin. So, yung requirement for us to claim the booking incentive, so of course, dapat ma-fill out ni buyer yung buyer's information sheet, yung reservation agreement, and yung mabayaran na yung reservation fee. So, later on, i-discuss ko rin yung payment options ni client to reserve the lot. Now, this is just some mechanics dun sa travel incentive natin. So for this year, ito po yung required paid up sale natin or quota natin sa mga sellers natin in order for them to claim a travel incentive. Hopefully by next year, makasama po kayo dito sa travel incentive natin. So brokers...
Maka-enter namin.
Yes, for sure. Marami pa po tayong inventory sa Cebu. So, posible po na ma-achieve po natin yung required paid up sale.
Yes, looking forward, ma'am. Looking forward.
Sige. Right, so let's proceed to the mode of payment. So, we have these options. Hello?
Yes.
Okay na, sir? Sige. Mo-proceed ko? Alright, so I thought may question or any question ba?
Later.
Wala ra. Okay. So, so for the mode of payment, we have, if your client choose to pay in cash, you can always visit OPMC Cebu branch located rami sa Banilad. So I think you are familiar naman sa location, no?
Yes, ma'am.
PDC, post-dated checks, you can always drop it sa office also. And wire transfer, so the client can wire transfer their payments through these bank account details. Bank deposit, the client can also make their payments through the same account. Just make sure to send us a copy of the deposit slip or proof of payment with the name of the client, project, and lot information to validate the payment. So, dapat original copy masend sa amo. Pero for now, pwede ra mo receive ra mi og email or digital copy na since that is more preferred and convenient and required pa for now. We also have GCash option. So if the client has a GCash application, he just have to follow the steps. Okay, so don't forget na isend yung payment confirmation to this email address, opmccebu@gmail.com. Okay, so far walang question dun sa mode of payment?
Wala po.
Sige. Clarify lang, sir, ha? Kasi merong mga cases din kasi sa amin na minsan nalilimutan ng mga sellers na when it comes to down payment, dito babayaran or isi-settle ni client. Sa Orchard Property Marketing Corporation, isi-settle ni client yung down payment. But for the balance, yung monthly amortization, they must settle the payment to Santa Lucia, which is the developer. So, clarify lang natin yung process.
So, asa man ang Santa Lucia, ma'am, anak gyapon sa office sa Orchard?
Yes, magkatabi lang yung office namin actually, sir.
Okay.
So, pag dito kayo sa office, nasa lang siya, katabi lang ng office namin.
Okay.
Sige. So, for the booking requirements, so upon reservation, we require the following documents. buyer's information sheet, reservation agreement, computation sheet with miscellaneous fee computation, and reservation fee. So, typically, nung wala pang pandemic, usually ito lang talaga yung kinakailangan namin na requirements. Pero ngayon, since we have to validate talaga the booking, we make sure na apart from etong mga booking requirement, may dalawang government-issued ID na rin na ibibigay sa client with signature specimen na 3. Make sure 3 siya. Kasi may mga sellers na nagsasubmit sa amin na isa lang yung binibigay or actually walang signature from the client. So dapat 3 signature specimen, 2 government-issued IDs, and 2 copies of proof of billing. So the proof of billing, the reason for this is to validate the mailing address ng client. And make sure clear po yung mga copies na sinisend natin. So para di po tayo magpabalik-balik ng validation. So ito po yung, actually, ito, apart from the 4 booking requirement, etong 2, ito po yung kailangan din namin na masubmit na agad ni client upon reservation. The 3, 4, 5, pwedeng to follow na siya.
Okay.
Additional requirements, pag foreigner yung partner ni client natin. So, of course, notarized waiver of conjugal rights, photocopy of foreign passport, and government-issued ID of the foreigner. If minor naman, ito yung kailangan na requirements na ma-provide. So, affidavit of guardianship, BIR, and 2 government-issued ID ng guardian. For former Filipino citizen, ito po yung kailangan na requirements nila na ma-provide. Currently, may mga clients po tayo na ito po yung mga cases kasi may mga clients din talaga na nagre-reserve or bumibili na ng lot kahit nasa abroad. So may mga representatives lang sila from here to help them submit these requirements. And I guess that's for the requirements. Any questions so far?
Guys,
Hello.
any questions? Basin na mo yung mga tinaguan diya ng mga pangutana. Raise while napa si Ma'am PB.
Anyway, if may mga follow-up questions kayo, you can always message naman sa group chat and we will try our best na as soon as possible makapag-reply kami. So far, wala pa?
Ma'am Phoebe.
Sige. Yes, sir.
Regarding the site tour, ma'am, naay mga taga-kauban na mo nga pa-site site viewing. So,
yes.
same ra gyapon ma'am, ikaw ray kontakon ma'am or si Sir John?
For now, contact me lang. Most likely, if may changes sa designation ng coordination, mag-update lang kami dun sa GC. Because currently, I'm handling the brokers pa muna. Parang, I think baka next month, I will designate a broker coordinator na mag-focus talaga sa inyo.
Sige po, copy.
So for the site visit, I will just message the template na kailangan yung i-fill out para ma-confirm yung booking natin. So may mga details na kaming kailangan, like for example, yung project time or ano yung arrangement ng meet-up para ma-confirm namin yung booking ng site tour. And always po na make sure na you book the schedule ahead of time, at least 1 day ahead. Kasi baka mag-conflict po tayo sa mga other sellers as well. Hello?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. Sige. Any
Ma'am.
other questions?
Can you give us your contact number, ma'am?
Yes. Let me just post my contact number here.
Okay.
Number 8.
Mama 8, yeah.
Artist.
Sige yan, si Mama, di palupit. Isa na lang gusto mo. Nalain tayo. Ako na ba nang isaad sa...
Let me double check. Here's my phone number. You may contact me through... Makita lang. Can you see the screen?
Okay.
Okay, that's the number.
8665. Okay, thank you.
All right, no problem. Anything else? Yes, I will be showing you some video ad of our projects Vista Verde and Greenwoods. I think nakita raman siguro ni you were able to see this sa among OPMC page, Sad. Hello, Mr. Gilbert. Hello, sir. Pwede ma-mute ang background para makaplay ko sa video. Alright.
Okay, ma'am.
Yan. So, actually, to those na di pa alam yung OPMC page, ito po yung page natin. You can just search OPMC Cebu. Ito po yung page. And like the page and then message us. Sa hindi pa nakita yung or na-like yung page. For the video, okay. So I'll be playing. So far, wala pang questions, no? So maybe by the time matapos yung video, may mga follow-up questions pa tayo. So I'll just play a video ad of Vista Verde and Greenwoods. Let me know lang please if the audio is not...
Wala man video, ma'am.
Walang video.
No video po, ma'am. Wala pong video, ma'am.
Walang picture, ma'am.
Pwede rin ma'am, pa-share na lang sa GC para kung di gid ma-play diri, pwede na ma-share sa GC ma'am.
Yung video ads ng dalawa naming projects, Greenwoods and Vista Verde. So, sorry. Any questions? May mga follow-up questions po ba tayo?
Napabay follow-up questions kay para maka-proceed na si Ma'am Phoebe?
No, actually sir, yun po yung ano natin. Yun na po yung ending ng presentation natin. So mag-a-ask na lang po ako if may questions kayo para masagot po, po natin yung mga tanong.
Ma'am, excuse me po.
Yes. Great.
Great
yes.
year ako. Yung project kasi, di ba, it's only a lot. Paano pag yung lang bahay niya, parang meron bang parang Mediterranean na style or Italian na project, or wala silang gano'n? As long as, kasi may gano'n, di ba, na usually na pag binili mo is lupa lang, tapos meron silang parang design lang talaga na Mediterranean
so
whatsoever.
Yes. So far ma'am, sa lahat po ng homeowners natin or existing clients natin, wala po kaming restrictions as to the design of the property. If you can actually do the site visit, iba-iba po talaga yung mga designs ng bahay ng mga clients. So may discretion po talaga si client when it comes to the design.
Okay siya. At least hindi na-restrict yung mga kliyente na itong style na to. Kung gusto na, ibang galo lang niya or 3-story, okay lang. Pero ang pinaka-maximum is 3-story building. Ay, 3-story na house. Maximum.
Yes. Pero yung may din kami, may required din kami na construction cost. Iba-iba siya per project, I think. So may approximately around 2M or 2.5M at least yung construction cost.
Maximum na yun.
Minimum.
So dapat, ang pinaka-maximum niya, how much? So far, wala naman kaming pa for the maximum. Minimum lang po yung binibigay namin na... Hindi na mababot ang minimum na
I think depende na po yan sa client kung ano po yung maximum na niya. Basta requirement namin is within perimeter lang talaga siya, and then one house per lot.
Oo. Di ba sabi niyo ang minimum is 2 million? Paano pag yung kliyente nasa 1.5M lang or 1M lang yung cost niya na property? Ibig sabihin yung mga materyales, mga raw materials niya. Paano pag hindi mabot ang 2 million? Effective siya.
Si Santa Lucia, kasi required po kasi yung 2M, 2.5. So di po mag-a-allow si Santa Lucia if below that po yung construction.
Okay. At least clear, para alam ng kliyente na baka ng mga gamit kasi hindi siya para gano'n.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, no problem.
Okay, ma'am. How about the construction period, ma'am? Is there a limit for that? Na by 24 months lang o 12 months lang ma-finish?
Construction period.
Yeah.
So far sir, kasi meron kaming mga lot owners now na binili yung properties nila a long time ago, and then parang wala pa talagang na construct na bahay. So when it comes to the limit of construction, let me just confirm that here on our end, ha? So far, sir, na-confirm, wala po siyang limitation. Wala po siyang time period. As long as nabili na ni client yung lot, na-settle na niya yung payment, anytime may disk ni client na mag-construct, pwede.
Okay. O kanang kung mag-construct na ang client, ma'am, pagkatapos na nahinto niya for about 5 months or 1 year, dili ba na eyesore sa
depende, sir. I think pag depende po yan sa Santa Lucia kasi like for example, may phase kami or may part kami sa Greenwoods na may community na talaga, may homeowner units, may homeowners association. So discretion na po ng homeowner association. Yes, yes sir. So sila na po yung may handle niyan. Pero may mga portions pa po kami sa other properties na wala pang association. So pwede pa siya.
Kining sa kuha na to, ma'am, kining sa dap-dap o sa basta sa Mactan, sa Lapu-Lapu ba?
Yes,
Kuha na
sir.
kining house and lot gihapon ni o lot only?
Lot only, sir.
Okay.
The one the Valle Verde, katong premium project namo, that's lot only. La Mirada is the condominium project.
Ang La Mirada.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Ang Valle Verde, asa man na locate, ma'am, dari sa Mactan?
Barangay Pusok, Lapu-Lapu.
Barangay
nasa,
Pusok.
Yes, second bridge.
Sa second bridge.
Yes. Kanang padulong ubos ay kanang ubos nga part na asa if you go to Mactan na siya sa left side.
Left side. Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. Any other questions?
Do we offer kuan, ma'am, kanang house construction sa kuan? Murag package, ma'am, ba? Lot and house construction.
Wala ever since, sir, no, wala jud mi anang arrangement kay wala pa man goy Santa Lucia doesn't have a murag partner when it comes to package sa lot, house and lot. So ever since lot lang jud na ang among kuan sa clients jud. We have that arrangement or option sa Manila na mga projects, but here in Cebu wala.
Okay. Additional question, ma'am. With regards to incentives and commission, standard na for all projects, lot projects sa OPMC, Santa Lucia?
OPMC, sir, ang incentive kana nga offer na mo karon is exclusive for OPMC. Santa Lucia, base na sila lain nga offer, but OPMC is the marketing arm of Santa Lucia, man. So we have our own processes, and Santa Lucia has also, if naa may inventory ang Santa Lucia also, so they also have their own payment term and incentive scheme.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So, any other follow-up questions?
Guys, kinsa pay napay pangutana kay para mahuman na ta sa atong kuan PKS.
Yes, oo. Sayang kasi usually if wala pa ning pandemic, naaunta ta diri sa office or we're somewhere nga nag-gather ta and then magpa-snack jud ta right after ani. But dili man we do not allow pa man jud ana nga arrangement. So maybe soon in another PKS, maybe next year we can arrange that para physically we can meet you guys and anang kuan get to know more about the project jud properly. Na on the same day mag site tour ta if you have questions or whatever.
Actually, ma'am, napagiguro daghan nga wala gid ka kuan kasulod tungod sa connectivity problem. So,
I see.
looking forward, ma'am, nga napatay another set of PKS pohon.
Sige, sige, mas maayo, sir. Para a lot of your sellers can also be informed about the properties of OPMC. Okay, currently karon actually daghan jud mga inquiries per lot only properties or investments.
So guys, kung wala na ipangutana.
Tanong last.
Okay.
Ma'am, pwede magtanong, how about
Yeah.
Manila project po?
Yes, you can actually also, once you're accredited in one branch, pwede open to our inventories from all over the Philippines, nationwide, is open for selling.
So pwede po kami mag-ano pag Manila project.
Yes, for Manila projects, you can coordinate with our Manila office for a PKS, so they can present to you their projects.
Okay po. Pero pwede ba kayo magbigay ng number po or sino contact person doon if ever?
Sure.
Kahit kaysa na lang po na ibigay mamaya si sir.
Sige, right. Sa GC namin ni-send yung contact info.
Sige, para mapaschedule din po din sa Manila area para the sellers could also sell your projects here in Metro Manila area or within the Luzon area. Okay ba yun?
Right,
Okay.
right.
Thank you po.
Yes, for sure. Send namin yung contact sa GC.
Okay, thank you po.
Alright, sige. May questions pa? For may questions tayo sa chat, for Cagayan de Oro project, I don't think, let me double check if may Cagayan ba ha? Kasi for now, all I know, is in Davao only. In Davao, Iloilo, Bacolod. So, any other questions?
So, wala na ba?
Wala
Guys,
na.
wala na. So, murag wala na siguro Ma'am Phoebe. So, in behalf of the 818 team, ma'am, thank you kayo sa imong pag-comment sa mo ang request. So, thank you so much, ma'am. Looking forward for another set of PKs na po pohon.
Yes, sir. Contact us anytime for another schedule so we can book the slot for you. Sige. Once again, thank you the 818 team for for being with us here and for taking interest sa pakikinig and to know more about OPMC projects. Hopefully after this PKS may mga inquiries na rin tayo from you, from your clients as well.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Good afternoon. And
Thank
see
you.
you
Thank you so
soon.
much. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Adi, daghan ng attend na. 50 plus good. 50 plus. And that's really. Hindi na.
Thank you guys. Thank you for having your time.